Hello and welcome back to Officina Virtuale. Let's continue our beginner series and today we are going to be making our clamp hinge. Let's click on OK. Now let's select our Y-X plane, and on this plane we can sketch our circle. And let's say its diameter 18 millimeters. Let's click on OK. Exit workbench, and we can extrude this with mirror extend as length. Let's select 50 millimeters. Let's click on preview and OK. Now let's select this surface, and on this surface we can sketch our second circle. Let's fix this diameter, let's say 8 millimeters, and we can select this and this. As constraint we can select concentricity, and let's click on OK. We can project this circle here, and now exit workbench. We can use our pocket command, and as depth let's fix 7.5 millimeters. Preview and OK. Now we need a plane, so we can select this surface, and we want a plane. Let's select as distance 1.5 millimeters, and we can reverse direction. Okay, and let's click on OK. Now selecting this plane, we can sketch on this plane, and we can sketch circle. Let's fix this diameter, let's say 6 millimeters. And as always we want concentricity between this and this, and let's click on concentricity and OK. Now on this plane we can project this circle here, projection, OK. We can exit workbench, and clicking on pocket we can realize our pocket. Let's say is depth 1 millimeters and reverse direction. Preview and OK. Now let's hide our plane. Selecting the plane we can hide our plane, and let's realize chamfer on this circle here. Let's say 0.5 millimeters. As angle we can use 45 degree. OK. And now in our specification tree we can select our chamfer. With control we can select pocket, and we can select our first pocket here. Now clicking on our mirror, OK, we can use this plane as reference, and let's click on OK. We've got our symmetry. As you can see here, we've got problem with our chamfer, so let's repeat our chamfer on this surface here. 0.5 and 45 degree, and let's click on OK. And now let's hide our plane, and let's add the material. We can select our clamp hinge, and we can apply material. As always we will use this paint, and we can use a DS Gold. Apply material and OK. And as always, clicking on file, we can save our clamp hinge, and here we are. I can close my specification tree. As always, if you like this content, please consider to subscribe, share and so on. See you soon.